corner. Seven is open. Built in 1960 by KONE. 6 person for 80 grams. Unfortunately modernized by Hissipalvelu R&R in 2003, but without inner doors. The serial is 8548. And there are 9 floors here, but floors 8 and 9 are locked off. So, there is a freight elevator here, which is seen in the Hesburger hamburger restaurant. It's turning 60 years old in the next year, 2021, when it's turning 60 years old. And this is elevator number 2. I don't have to take pictures of this one. Yep. And the address is Mannerheimintie, Mannerheimvägen 8 in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. The door happened to be opened right now. And today is the 3rd of September 2019. Yeah. We're waiting for the elevator to come down. Yes, KONE built in 1960. Turning 60 years old in the next year, 2020, when it's turning 60 years old. Modernized by Hissipalvelu R&R in 2003, but without any doors, luckily. The floors 8 and 9 are locked off. And this is elevator number 1. The serial is 8547 or H8547. Let's go back to floor 1. And the capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams. Okay, let's go.